So it's very difficult for graded index fiber to determine the numerical aperture because of its refractive index profile, क्योंकि वो constant नहीं रहेगा inside the core, so it is variable. Okay, there is one equation probably out of this. This is important for you, that is number of modes. Just like in case of step index fiber, we had number of modes m is equal to v square by 2. Similarly, here also we have a formula. G indicates graded index. Mg is equal to alpha by alpha plus 2 v square by 2. So earlier we had only v square by 2. Now this term is included. What is alpha? It's a profile parameter. What will happen if you take alpha is equal to infinity? Here I have written, if you take alpha is equal to infinity, what is happening? I think well, L Hospital's rule and all you can apply, and this will be reduced to m equals to v square by 2. And suppose if you have alpha is equal to 2, which is the most practically used value, alpha equals to 2, you will get mg equals to v square by 4. Now problem, a graded index fiber has a core with a parabolic refractive index profile. So here they have not given you alpha, but indirectly they have specified parabolic structure. So alpha equals to, you have to consider as 2, which has a diameter of 50 micrometer. Again, we require in our formulae radius, but diameter is given to you. And it has a numerical aperture. We have to estimate the total number of guided modes. Capital M we need to find, and it is the graded index. So it is mg. Okay. So let us just start. Even lambda is given to you. List out the data, what all is given to you. Alpha is indirectly given, numerical aperture is given, radius, which is half of the diameter, I have calculated. Lambda is given, you need to find the modes. So what is V equals to? That is normalized frequency, capital V. V number is equal to 2 pi a by lambda into numerical aperture. So try finding that. I have got 0.2. I have got into 31.4. So what is mg equals to v square by 4? Why v square by 4 only? Actually formula kya hai? Mg equals to alpha by alpha plus 2 into v square by 2, but alpha is 2. So that's why it is v square by 4. You will get 247. So this graded index fiber, it supports how many guided modes? 247. Just think of the race. You cannot even imagine thousands. 247 here, it's still very small. Okay, a small concept. This is important from the problematic point of view. Okay, that's why I'm dealing with this topic. Single mode fibers, be it a step index, be it a graded index. Single mode fibers, what is its importance? What is the value? Okay, the advantage of propagation of single mode fiber within a single mode within a fiber, it is that the signal dispersion jo bhi hoga, that's what intermodal dispersion, which actually is caused in case of multi-mode, especially in step index, not graded index. Graded index mein kam rehta hai because of their shape of the paths, right? Because of the different refractive index profile structure. Just now we have seen as a note. But here in single mode, what is happening? There are no other modes, there are no other rays, only single, because of which there is no question of what? The dispersion, okay, caused by the delay differences between the different modes, which actually happens in multi-mode. Multi-mode mein jitne aapke rays rahenge, utne modes rahenge. Because of that, group velocities will be different, because of which there will be delays, for which dispersion do occur in multi-mode. But single mode mein that can be avoided. That is one of the advantage. For single mode operation, okay, here we have got two important points. Whatever I am dealing now, it is for step index. Same thing is for, I will just explain you for graded index. Now, for single mode operation, okay, we have already seen what is this mode, okay, modes in case of optical fibers. We have even studied modes in the planar waveguide. That TE and TM mode is supported. And in case of circular waveguide, as it is a cylindrical in structure, 2 dimension, we need 2 variables. Just try to recall. We need 2 variables, L and M. That's why we had taken TE, LM as one mode, TH, LM as one more mode, and next this is for meridional rays, and one more for skew rays we will get either HE, LM or EH-LM. So these many modes. These modes can also be configured by using LP. I had told you, just a brief, I had given you linearly polarized components. We can even go for that. Okay. In detail, we didn't discuss about it. So for single mode of operation, only this single mode, okay, एक ही mode रहेगा. Only this fundamental LP01 mode can exist. Okay, higher modes रहेंगे, but single mode के लिए सिर्फ एक रहेगा. Hence, if you are taking the next levels, for that is LP11 mode. LP01 is your fundamental mode. उसके बाद आपका next mode आएगा LP11 and so on. Because of between these LP01 and LP11, the value of the V number, that is normalized frequency for LP11. Okay, I'm not talking about LP01, the fundamental mode. I'm talking about LP11 mode. Okay, इसके लिए normalized frequency का value it is equal to 2.4, approximately इतना है. Okay, 2.405 exactly, approximately 2.4 for LP11. So अगर मुझे सिंगल मोड ऑपरेशन करना है LP01 के लिए, what will be the range for V number is, it is between 0 to 2.44, क्योंकि LP11 के लिए ही 2.405 है, LP01 के लिए obviously इससे कम होना चाहिए. So the range should be between 0 to 2.4. This is about the single mode operation in case of step index fiber. Now coming to the graded index fiber. Similarly, we have a formula for a single mode operation. In case of graded index fiber, this V number or the normalized frequency value is given by 2.405 or 2.4. Simply 1 plus 2 by alpha. It is not A, it is alpha raised to 1 by 2, that is square root. Okay, this is the formula. Based on this formula, we have another two problems. Estimate the maximum core diameter for an optical fiber with relative refractive index difference. Delta is given to you. What is to be calculated? Core diameter. So indirectly पहले हमको radius find करना है. अगर radius आ गया तो double करने से diameter आ जाएगा. Okay. Then what is given to you? Core refractive index, N1 is given to you. Then in order to suit single mode, see, identifying the problem to which concept this problem is applicable is important. No doubt problems are very simple direct substitution problems, but which formula to apply that to during the examinations when all the concepts, all 5 module concepts you're studying, it is a bit difficult. So here identify that this is important. In order to suit the single mode transmission, you need to find, okay, lambda is given to you. So how will you go for calculation of the A, that is radius? Radius अगर find किए तो diameter आ जाएगा. So radius find करने के लिए we have a V number formula. It is 2 pi by lambda A N1 2 delta. This is the formula for step index we have already used. Okay, delta is given, N1 is given, lambda is given. So you can find okay, what is V for this? Just now I had told you for in case of here single mode fibers, in case of step index, I had told you the value should be within the range of 0 to 2.4. क्योंकि LP01 mode के लिए maximum I can take 2.4 V. So that I can make use of that. With this formula, V is also known, N1 is known, delta is known, lambda is known. So A is unknown to you. So rearrange the equation. A is equal to, substitute all the terms. See here I have written V as a 2.4 because from the theory concept I have taken V equals to 2.4 for step index. For single mode operation, step index के लिए V equals to at the max 2.4 हो सकता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. So I have got radius as 1.3 micrometer. अगर radius पता चल गया तो I can find the diameter. What is the diameter? Double 1.3 into 2, 2.6 micrometer I have got. And what is one more I think question is continuation. Yes, there is a sub question. Estimate another diameter. Okay, अगर थोड़े शायद parameters change हुए हैं for a single mode operation when relative refractive index, I think delta is reduced by a factor of whether it is visible to you, yes, by a factor of 10. Okay, there is a just slight change जो delta का value है which is 1.5%, 0.015, it is reduced by a factor of 10. If you do that, what changes happen? Let's see. If I reduce the delta by a factor of 10, 0.015 is your earlier delta. If I reduce this by a factor of 10, I will get 0.0015, right? That is divided by 10. I have written here 0.003 because it is formula में क्या है 2 delta है, so 2 times, so 0.00310 gets added. So I have got by calculation 4 micrometer. Hence the diameter will be double, 8 micrometer. Earlier you see 2.6 आ गया diameter, अभी 8 आ रहा है. So refractive index difference delta जब 1.5% था, diameter कम था. जब आपने उसको reduce किया, refractive index difference delta जब reduce हुआ, diameter ज्यादा हो गया. No, just you can relate it. One more simple problem. A graded index fiber with a parabolic refractive index. So parabolic means graded index. Remember, directly alpha value is given to you, indirectly alpha is equal to 2. Okay. Then core axis of 1.5, that is a refractive index n1 is given to you 1.5. Center का जो refractive index है axis का. Then 1% delta is given to you. Estimate the maximum possible core diameter. Again diameter find करना है तो radius का help लेंगे. Radius small a we will find, then we will double it. Okay, and lambda is given. Similar, alpha is given, n1 is given, delta is given, but this is not for step index. This is for graded index. So इसके लिए we have a formula. V number is equal to normalized frequency 2.405, 1 plus 2 by alpha raised to 1 by 2. So alpha indirectly parabolic structure, alpha equals to 2. Substitute, you will get some value. Then what is the radius formula? We have V equals to 2 pi by lambda a n1 root of 2 delta. From this I can find a. So I have got a as 3.3 micrometer. Radius agar aa gaya to diameter will be double, 6.6 micrometer. Okay, so today we have covered step index, graded index fibers. In that we have seen the structures of single mode, multi-mode, and in case of single mode optical fiber, we can step index and graded index both can be operated in single mode. Okay, because single mode why it is important? Advantage है कि dispersion कम होता है. That is the advantage. We have for step index the V number maximum क्या है? Value important 2.4. That itself is the important value. Okay, 2.4 at the max. Single mode operation for step index. For graded index, this normalized frequency, it has a formula. Okay, we have solved few problems also. In the next class, in the next session, we are going to cover about the cutoff wavelength and the remaining topics.